hearing that this butter Biscoff cake was the best cake that Crumble ever made. I think I said butter biscuit. I think it's just Biscoff, just a Biscoff cake. Oh, let's try it. Let me try it because I had that caramel toffee pudding cake. That was the best cake that Crumble ever made. Y'all never had it yet. But actually, y'all, they got it again. And I went, I'm so happy I got it. That cake. Yeah. Miss Big Bag. Whatever. All right, wait, hold on. All right. Okay. It's not bad. It tastes like a cinnamon cake. Mm-hmm. Them cookies at the top. Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm gonna give this a 9.5. Baby. Caramel toffee pudding cake. Hold up. Like, y'all, my bag's so big that it's just like so happy right now. It's so happy right now. Oh. But Biscoff cake and topping this one.